Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I trust you're doing good. ABS the glory be to God. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a flyer, um, a tailor flyer, a fashion design flyer. I'm not going to waste much time here. So the first thing I have to do right now is to bring out my background. So you click on that three dots, then you click from gallery. So let me look for the background that I use. It has been long um I designed this, so let me find the background. So it should be around here. Good. So this is the background that I use. I know our custom size is 3220 then 220 or 1280 good. So let me change to 1280. That is the custom size for Pixellab. So the first thing I will have to do right now is to bring out the clothes on the picture I want to use. So let me search for it. Okay, so this is the one I want to use for it, but I have not removed the background. Hold on, let me remove the background. Okay, come guys, let's continue. So I have removed the background from the image. So this is the image that I'll be using. And why am I bringing this image by this time? Is because I want to use the color picker to pick out the color from here. So what is the next thing I'm going to do right now? The next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out the shape. Click on the plus button, then bring out the shape and change the shape to this. So this is the shape I'm going to use. So yeah, so let me start. Then after you rotate the shape, actually you can lock this one or you hit it first. So let's be done with the shape. So you rotate the shape. Good. Then you place it here. You increase it a little bit. Let's change the shape. Let's take another one. Let's use this one first. Good. This is the one that I use. So let me rotate back. Good. So this is how it is. Let me try and rotate again. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is change the color to black color. Black color first. Good. So after place it inside the little. So the next thing is to duplicate it again. So duplicate it. Then you go to your color picker, you go to your color, click on the color, then you click on the plus button, then you click on the color picker. So you choose this cloth for the color. Be careful, be careful if you are picking the color. Good. Now you pick exactly the same thing in the good. So you put it here. So the next thing you have to do right now is to bring out the image. You know, you brought out the image before. So you click on the layer, then you print it out, then you place it up here. Good. So the next thing right now is to do is to place it here. Good. So another thing you have to do right now is to bring out a shape again. Bring out a shape. Click your plus button. Bring out a shape. Sorry. Bring out the shape. Good. So this is the shape. Then give the color. This color. Good. So give me this color. So you actually reduce it a little. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to bend it a little bit so that it will be exactly the same as like this. So let's go. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, so click on the image, then go to your mask tool. So you're going to use mask tool here. Go to your mask tool. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, this is just click on your okay. Sorry, just click on this. Can you see it? Nothing is showing again. So you click on the good. Yeah, let me bring it down a little bit. Then you click this one to here. Then it will show much. Good. So click on the mouse tool. Let's remove this. Confirm. So the next thing we are going to write now, you can actually lock those the image. Actually lock them like this. Good. So still lock the shape or the shape. Lock them. Good. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to click your plus button, then you bring out a text, then you write I wrote Lord B there. Lord B. Lord B. So you change the capital letter. Good. So this I'm going to do right now is to place it here. Then you change the font, go to your font, then you change it to use the capture or go use capture IT for the font. You know why I use it? Because of the background. So it will be like the background is showing on the font. You know, you're using font, just know that the kind of font you're using for the work you are doing. So the next thing I have to do right now is to bring out a plus button again, then I write my switch design. Then you change the calculator. Place it here. Then you change the font to something. No, we are not just stylish at this time. We are going to use let's use this framework board. Okay, good. So you change you reduce the size a little bit, then you print here. So the next thing I need to do right now is to bring out a shape. Bring out a shape. Change to this. Then you place it here. So the first thing I need to do right now is to change this color to orange or yellow. So let's change the color of the text to this. Good. Okay, this okay. So this I'm going to do right now. So click on this, the image, then go to your texture and give it the texture we need for it. Texture. Now the image that you'll be using will be at the same thing as your work. Don't go and use another image for the work you are doing. So let's get started. So you choose this and this is suit, but I only need the suit. Good. So you cut your scale, increase scale a little bit. Okay, so let me see. I need to do things. Okay, something like this. Good. so that it will fit in the design. Go to your texture again, then you can scale it now. Good. So the next thing right now is to give it a stroke of this color. I see it. Good. So the next is to duplicate it, then place it here. So you give it a stroke, a texture of its own. So you look for another image that you downloaded. Is it. Then you scale it. Good. So you duplicate it again, then you place it here. So you give it the texture of its own. So let's go and find its own texture. So you give it this. Good. Good. So that is it. So the next thing I'm going to write, let me check what I wrote there. So the next thing I wrote there is put out a text. Then you write we are open. We are open from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Done. Then you get your capital letter. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to give it a simple font, simple and not bold. So you search for, you can actually use Montestera or anything that is not true. Okay, so let's get that Montestera semi bold. So you make it smaller a little bit, you place it here. Make sure they are aligned together with this. So let's check the alignment. You don't have to do a grid, you click on a grid. Good. So let's check. So okay, it's good like that. It's good. Because of the second test I'll be bringing out. It's good. So you change the font color to this. So the next thing you do right now is you click on the plus button again, then you bring your own icon. Your own icon. Your own icon. So this is the home icon here. You can actually use like this thing. Okay. So the next I'm going to do right now is to change the color first. Change the color to this. Then make it smaller a little bit. And if it's not working like this, like you're making it smaller and you can't see it, you can actually zoom your work by clicking on this place. So let's click on it. So let's zoom our work. Good. You click it again so that you actually drag it and you make it smaller a little bit. So the next thing you're going to do right now, you can use your position key to position it down. Okay, it's to so let me position it to the upside because it needs the edge position. So let's go. Okay. Then let it be aligned with this. Good. So the next thing right now is to duplicate this. Then you write your address. So let me write Mountain of Fire. Emerald Lord B Street. Lord B Street. Lord B Street. Opposite Global Creative Data Marketing Agency. Academy. So you change the capital letter, then you place it here. the exact size, but it's like this. Good. So you place it here. Since it is not aligned, I will advise you to align it with this. Good. So let's align it with this. Yeah. So it will look professional. So it is aligned with that. So let me tell you if they are aligned together. Okay, good. They are aligned together. So this is how I got this. Don't forget to know how to use the max tool very well. It is so important you know how to use max tool. Okay, good. So the next thing to save your work as save it as PNG and at very high. Then you can click on your save and don't forget to save your work as a project also, so that you can always be get it anytime you want to use the work. Okay, so I'll be sending you guys the materials and the description. So you check the description, check for the material use, you see it inside. I wish you best of luck. Thank you for watching up to this moment, and don't forget to share the videos. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe or hit the bell so that anytime I update my channel, you'll be getting videos from there. Thank you. I wish you best of luck.